Hey guys, welcome back to DelfStack, and today I'm gonna show you how to create story in Messenger. So first is open up the Messenger application into your device. Now guys, from here, you should be able to see create story on the top left corner of the screen, and you will have post a note at the top. So make sure to select the plus icon on the create story category, and now it will open up your gallery, guys, automatically. And you could start with your camera, which you could take a selfie or a picture, or you could select a media into your story. Now, once I have selected a picture or video, I should be able to see something like this. And I could add a music, as you can see on the top right corner. From here, we can search some music. And when you tap on the smiley icon, you should be able to see a bunch of stickers and multiple features like add another photo, add a location, mention or poll, and you can also add text as you can see, and you can also draw when you want to. Now, select that. And when you select the three dots on the top right, you should be able to see a color adjustment. And once everything is done, you can just simply select share now, and it will be sharing the story. And when I tap on your story on the top left over here, my story will pop up, and you should be able to create your own story. So guys, of course, create your own design. I just showed you the steps. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.